Okay.
Puro idea.
Hey, vlog! Ambal ko'y butang dito. Hindi na butang talang ma.
Oh.
Asa sila?
It's already. What is this? Sila yung guys. Be, Arabio. Ano, Arabio? Be, video kami nito.
Sige.
Sweet sellers!
Hi, tita! Ala, nagkabot! Asa sila nagpungko? Ato sila, oh! Thank you, ma'am! Sige, may pa. Atan? Say hi, vlog! Hi! Hi, Ninang Rhea, ganda. Apa, guwapa kayong sponsor na Ninang. Kagwapa sa driver na Ninang, patita pa. Nasakpan ang Ninang na diet, oh. Ala, nasakpan dyan, oh. Diet yar. Wow, lechon. Oh. Oh, wow, yummy. Ay, nasakpan ang diet. Pak.
Buffet in Gensai, where you can eat all you can. No leftovers. For any leftovers, we will charge another 199 pesos per person. A selection of soft drinks and bottled water available at the counter for purchase. Thank you for choosing Amiga's Buffet in Gensai. However, takeout, no leftovers. For any leftovers, we will charge another 199 pesos per person. We offer a variety of free drinks at the buffet table. For those who prefer other beverages, we have a selection of soft drinks and bottled water.